Ka Jingiakren Pynbeit jong ki arteli ki jela kata pereng jela Assam bat ke jela Meghalaya Haka wat kabar kala long mentah ke singi hakana para ki dukot ki balawan bani sim bentah hakane ke Jingiakren Pynbeit Haka wat kabar ki long menteri ramba ke jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma nang tade ki menteri sarkar jong ke jela ki bakentup ya Chandra Mohan Patwari u Atul Bora bat ki senior officers jong ke jela Naga liang jong sarkar Meghalaya kibadon lang ki kentup yaw menteri ramba ke jela Konrad Kesangma usumbut menteri ramba ke jela sngewbha langdhar lembat ke ofisar sarkar ha bakren sekilat pathai khubor hadin jong ke Jingiakren Pynbeit menteri ramba ke sarkar Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ulong bah ke baidei bat ke Jingjia setiap jong ki sangut ki rupai ba Mukroh kepala jaha ke ar terik unai wing arjar ar ke sarkar Meghalaya bat ke sarkar Assam kilarai ban Aitino Iakren ke kamsya ke Central Bureau of Investigation lane ke CBI bahkan tokit ia ke Jingjia setiap jong ki sangut ki rupai ba Mukroh Himanta Biswa Sarma ula pentip bagi ar sarkar kilarai ru ban penduk no Iaka Judicial Inquiry Commission ya ke bagi lathung namar kisyam bagane kampoi shana ru hakane ke jingang not ban Pynbeit no ya pur usam jong kini ar teli jelah halor ka jing tokit CBI pentip bagi ar sarkar kin sakerpat ia kini ke kenhun tokit bahkan register ya kini ke kes la ke de Nongpoh Shillong la ne Nongpoh Guwahati henry ban register syaki weipat ki jaga ki bomdon ya ke Jingisya aliang menteri ramba jong ke sarkar Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ulong baga judicial inquiry balathung dak Assam lane ke Meghalaya kampoi ru namar ke jing tokit jong ke commission na Assam lasyam bagi sakhi na Meghalaya kimwan satya sakhmat bat kumjuru kalong ya ke commission na Meghalaya ha ke bagi sakhi na Assam kimsyam lawan mi satya kumban syupan kenmau ha ke ar tarik unai wing arjar ar Henry ngut ki Briew kelayap bakentup ya wayu pulit forest guard ke Assam bat san ngut kena Mukroh hak jing ther kuli jong ki pulit Assam hak te por
Friends, today we have a regional committee and CM level meeting in Guwahati to further resolve the Assam Meghalaya border dispute. Discussion is very cordial and we have been able to take certain very important decisions today. Number one, as a confidence building measure and not to put the respective officers of both the state in difficulty, we have decided to wind up the judicial commission ordered by Assam and Meghalaya to inquire the Mukroh firing. Instead, both the government will now request CBI to investigate the matter instead of judicial commission, and will request CBI not to register the case either in Shillong or in Guwahati but in a neutral venue so that central government agency can inquire the incident of violence and we both wind up the judicial commission, because none of the commission has able to make any progress because the judicial inquiry ordered by Assam Meghalaya is not, Meghalaya witnesses are not coming, and in the judicial inquiry ordered by Meghalaya government, Assam witnesses are not going. So in order to have a fair and impartial inquiry, we decided that instead of pursuing judicial inquiry at the end of state government, let us refer to an independent agency, namely CBI, and we will request CBI not to register the case in Guwahati or Shillong, but to register the case in an independent location, either in Delhi, Calcutta or wherever they like. Number two, in Khanduli PCR, recently Assam police has set up a police outpost, and in front of that police outpost, Meghalaya police has put up another outpost, making it almost eyeball to eyeball confrontation. So what we have decided today, Assam police will put CRPF in that outpost, and Meghalaya will also take their police post to a little behind, so that it goes to a neutral police force, and neither Assam police neither Meghalaya police is seen in actual area of conflict. We can come little later 200, 300 meter behind we can put our police. But at the point of confrontation, let there be CRPF, not of the police of both the state. Number 3, we have decided to quickly resolve 3 areas of dispute. And although Honorable Chief Minister Meghalaya is not mentioning that 3 areas, but we have requested Chief Minister of Meghalaya that Assam is ready to quickly resolve the border dispute in Lampi, in Bordua and Desdumoria, because that is a non-6 schedule area for us. We have more flexibility and we can quickly go and resolve. But of course the final modality has to be found out by the regional committee, and we have asked the regional committees to make a presentation before Honorable CM Meghalaya within the shortest possible time and resolve these 3 disputes as quick as possible. Of course, final decision will be taken at the Chief Minister's level. Regarding the 6 area where we have already resolved the issue, we are happy to inform you that finally Survey of India has completed their survey in Hahim. Now border pillar will be erected and both the state government has accepted the position. Today Survey of India officials were there. We have requested other 5 areas like Dijang, Tarabari, Ratachera. We asked them to quickly complete the survey before 31st December. In Tarabari area, there are some problem with one village, that Molang Salbil, that Salbari. We have asked Assam side to be little flexible while demarcating the border so that local people do not get unnecessary tense and we can resolve peacefully. So whatever little bit of flexibility we have to show in Tarabari, we will show, Assam will show. But let us quickly finish the border pillar activity in 6 agreed area. Ahim already we did, and we want to quickly do in Tarabari, in Dijang, in Khanapara, Pilinkata and Ratachera.